I've been building online communities for over a year now, and in that time period, I've grown a community past 3,700 members and another one past 17,000 members. And in this video, I'm going to show you one of the most goated traffic strategies of all time: the newsletter swap. Now, the newsletter swap is an absolutely goated strategy. It's one of the best strategies for traffic ever, right? Yet no one has ever heard about it. And why? Why has no one heard about it? It's because no one knows how to generate traffic, nor does anyone know how to teach traffic as well. That's funny, isn't it? Because without traffic, a business can't run. So most people are trying to run a business without traffic, which literally isn't possible at all. So what's the solution? Just get bloody traffic, right? So it was a very strange story as to how I discovered this strategy. Alright, so let me just run you through it. So I was sitting in class, just peacefully, chucked my AirPods in class, right? I couldn't do much business work, because we were doing schoolwork. So I thought to myself, might as well do some learning. I had my AirPods in, might as well watch some YouTube videos on business and stuff, take some notes. After 10 minutes, scrolling on YouTube, finding out what I should learn, what videos to watch. I had too many things, right? I had too many things I just wanted to learn, so I don't know which one to choose. But I just started watching YouTube videos and learning about traffic. And here's where I got blessed with this strategy. I got absolutely blessed. So I was watching a video. I'm not going to reveal the YouTuber, but it was towards the end of the YouTube video. The video was about to end. And funny enough, I was just about to click off the video. I just had that urge. Let's just click off this video. Let's watch a new one. And in the end, I pushed past my urge. I kept watching. And thank God I did, because here is where I found out about the newsletter swap. Now, let me explain to you what this strategy is in as simple terms as possible. So here it is. Right? And note, newsletter swap only works when you have a solid newsletter subscriber base. If you do, then keep reading. If you don't, then I think I made a post earlier on where if you don't have a newsletter, here's what you would do to grow it. So what I would do is I would reach out to people inside my niche that may have valuable leads from me. I'm going to connect with them, network with them. You could use platforms like School, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. Doesn't matter. Just find a platform. Use these ones to reach out. And then propose them of the idea of promoting their offer on your newsletter, and you do the same on their newsletter if they have one. That is the case. If they don't, then move on, find a person that does. Then what you do is you run a promotion on their newsletter, driving traffic to your free community. This is basically easy traffic. Easy traffic. Now let's talk real numbers. For conversions, if the other person has, let's say, 3,000 email subscribers, the email should have around a 40% open rate, which is 1,200 people. Of the 1,200 people that open the email, 50% will see the CTA, which is 600 people. Out of 600 people, 50% click on the link. That is 200 people. And again, another 50 should join your community. That is 150 people, 150 new members inside your community. Now that's pretty crazy, right? That can all happen overnight. Having 150 new members pending. That's amazing. Absolutely amazing. This is one of the best traffic strategies to ever exist. Now, I want you to try it and let me know, because I'm going to be using this for my own community. I used it for some other communities in the past. I'm going to be using it for this community very soon. So let me know how it works for you.